Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to stop people from posting on your profile on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. In the Settings and Privacy menu, click on Settings. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy. Step 6. Now, click on Profile and Tagging. Step 7. Next to Who Can Post on Your Profile, click on the drop-down menu to open it. Step 8. Select Only Me from the available options. Step 9. Finally, click on Done to save the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully prevented others from posting on your Facebook profile. Now, you can have better control over your profile and who can interact with it. That's it for today's tutorial on how to stop people from posting on your Facebook profile using your PC. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.